I am from Palestine, bro. Stop sending bombing, yeah. Ya, kopi-kopi aja. Siema.
Siema!
Jak się masz?
Dobrze, dobrze.
Dobrze. That's all I know.
Skąd znasz polski?
Polish. That's all. Nie mówię po polsku.
A,
That's all. What's your name?
Dobrosława.
Dobre sparpa, kurwa.
Bez kurwa.
Ya kurva aja. Kurva is bitch. Kurva kan I am male, not kurva. Tawa lagi deh. I am funny. Iya, what's your name? Natalia ya?
Wiktoria.
Oh, Victoria. Why there are so many Poland girl named Victoria? Iya, Victoria. Many Poland girl named Victoria.
Yeah.
Victoria is a generic name in Poland. Generic dah. Oke, obat generic ya. Yeah, your English very good because many Poland girl cannot speak English.
Yeah.
They only speak kurva.
Yeah.
Kurva, pierdolcie.
Good.
Watch peace gitu ate. Begitu.
Oh, yeah.
Just like that. I don't understand. They speaking like that. I am from Lechia Gedangs. Lechia Gedang. Drinking tea. Yeah. Vodka. You drink vodka. Yeah. You drunk dong. Then you drunk. Yeah. You drunk. Drinking vodka, then you drunk. What is gloopy?
What?
Gloopy.
Gloopy.
Iya, gloopy. Yes, stem gloopy gitu katanya. Waduh. You look like Milea.
What?
You look like Milea. Tuh.
What?
Milea. You googling Milea. It looks like you. You look like twin Milea.
Aku sayang kamu.
Aku juga sayang kamu. Bebekku. Dia aja ketemunya orang Jawa mulu. Siema. Oh, ente. Jak się masz?
Dobrze, a ty?
Iya, dobrze. Iya. Gue nggak tahu bahasa lu, gue ngasal aja tadi. Iya. Nie mówię po polsku.
Dobrze.
Iya, dobrze. What's your name?
Weronika. And your?
Veronica. My name Gerard Pangkali.
Nice.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you from Warsaw?
No.
No, you from where? Krakow. From mana? Hah?
Bydgoszcz.
Mau Bydgoszcz. Iya, sebelahnya Mampang Bener. Iya, you student not. Yeah.
No.
Oh, you work. You already work. Are you YouTuber?
No.
Oh, what are you doing? What you do for life? You
I don't know.
You don't know. You just relax in the room
Yeah.
Chilling. Drink kopi dong. You like pierogi gak?
Yeah, sure.
Eat pierogi, relax, ya. Pierogi very good dah. I don't know pierogi sebenarnya. Tapi
Iya,
iya aja. Iya lu jangan diam baik dong lu nanya gue ngapa. Skip anjir. Tawa-tawa. Wah, ini baru Singapura, Mbak. Mbak Singapura. Halo. Ya diam aja Mbaknya. Nah, gitu dong. Mantap. Senyum, Mbak, senyum biar cakep. Oke, saya disenyum nih. Set. Ya kenapa dia marah Mbak? Orang sih ngomong main Mbaknya juga. Ngomongnya sopan gitu. Iya Mbak. Kita kan nggak ngomong api-api. Mbak kenalan lah, Mbak kenalan. Iya. Wah tuh ini bininya ya, suaminya ya. Serem lah suaminya.
Iya, banyak kan.
Waduh, suaminya aduh. Bang jangan lupa Bang pakai pengaman.
Ini suami saya lagi. Mau lihat nggak?
Banyak banget ente. Waduh.
Banyak.
Ada malah nyasar ke Kalibata City ada. Wah, you army. Wah, tentaranya tuh bos. Bro, halo bro.
Halo.
Iya, I am from Palestine bro. Stop sending bombing, ya. Stop bombing my country. I am sleeping you. Iya, I am sleeping. Iya, I am from Palestine. You don't send bomb, ya. I am sleeping. I will die. Then, I am from Palestine bro. Lu don't send bomb, ya. Iya, I am afraid of bomb. Stop bombing. Bilangin tuh Netanyahu, apa-apa tukang tahu. Ya, oke bro. Peace, ya peace. Kita berdamai. Stop fighting. Halo, you. Apaan tuh TikTok ya? Wah, you happy TikTokan. I am here. Halo, you Israel. Stop jajah Palestina. You colonizing Palestine, you. Iya. Stop colonizing Palestine, yeah. You sending bomb while I am sleeping, you. You tega, you have a heart. Yeah. Please, sampai apa sih receiving my message to apa Netanyahu ya. Kenya bos. Halo brother.
Hello.
Wah, you from Kenya?
I'm from Kenya.
Wah, your voice very deep. Waduh.
Yeah.
Wah, are you dabber? Just say finish him gitu. Like a Mortal Kombat. Dabber, you voice over Mortal Kombat ya. Finish him. Oh brother, what's your name? What's your name?
You can be executed for that.
What's your name, brother? Your name?
I am Singapore.
You Singapore. Your name?
Yes.
Your name, brother. What is your name?
My name is Kenneth Luden.
Huh? What?
Kenneth Luden.
Kenneth Wooden. Oh, yeah. Your voice. Oh, your teeth very white. You brush your teeth every day. Yes. Oh. Be careful. You will be chased by cheetah. Is there any cheetah in Kenya? Iya. Kan banyak ini di National Geographic gue nonton negara lu banyak citahnya sama singa, lion.
Wewe. Do you nyonga?
Ayo enggak.
Do you choke the monkey?
Monkey. You like monkey? Yeah. Oh no.
Nyonga.
You mau nembak monkey. Aduh. Kali-kalinya gue ke Afrika. Wah, itu solatif. Iya, lakban. Nih orang ya, aduh, oli nggak atang anak. Gak ada yang like. Sepi amat ya. Shema.
Hej,
Jak się masz?
dobrze.
Dobrze. Very good dah. What's your name? Your name?
Martyna.
Oh, Martina. Good name, good name. You have Instagram nggak?
Yes.
Iya, apaan? What is your Instagram? Instagramnya?
Right. I write in a chat.
Iya, you write in the chat box, iya. You smile, aduh. Ternyata 16 tahun. Soalnya mukanya kayak tante-tante ya. Tapi kita juga dibilang tua sama deh. Martinak. Triple A. Oh, Martinak Triple A. I am singing, you listen.
Okay.
Gimana? Iya, oke. You want to hear? Hear? Yeah.
Here.
Oke, yeah, nih. But I sing Indonesian song. No problem ya. I sing Indonesia. Iya, I sing Indonesian problem. Indonesia song. Nih, apa ya? Balonku ada 5, rupa-rupa warnanya. Hijau, kuning, kelabu, merah, muda, biru. Meletus balon hijau, hatiku sangat kacau. Balonku tinggal 4, ku pegang erat-erat, meledak semua. Oh. Yeah, just like that.
Really nice.
How is my voice? Good.
Good.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much.
I thank you too.
Yeah, you.